Alright, time for me to put in the new fans. Let's see. Being lowered a little bit. Probably good. Yeah, that. Okay, now a little bit higher. No, higher. Right. Wait, what? Where are the holes? Oh. Just get the. Okay. Holes. God dang it. Seems like they're up here. Oop. Get the. Line up, you. Okay. Okay, one screw is in. Hold on, let me see. Oh no. No, that's fine, right? Yeah, no, that's fine. Oh no, the camera. Okay. These screws. Okay, let me see. I think that's the first fan in, no problem. Okay, first fan in. Put in another fan. God dang it. Come on, screw, go in the hole. Go in the hole. Right. What? Okay. Okay. Okay, some of them have to tighten. Oof. Can't even. Oh, my hands are so shaky. Okay, can I feel the screws coming out on the other side? Let's see. Yeah, they're in. Okay. 2 fans in the front have been replaced. Now I'm going to do fan in the back. There. Let me see. Where's that? Just fan 1. Oh crap. Okay. Let's see. Time for the rear fan. Come on. No screws stay in place. Where are the holes? Look. Okay. Just feel that. I don't see them. I don't see the hole. Maybe I'm too blind. No, I think that's it. That should be the hole, right? Okay. Let's... Oh, wait. Yes, that is. Okay. Get the... God dang it. Alright. I'm struggling to screw in screws into a hole. Oh no. Maybe I'll try a different hole first. How about this one right here? Yeah, let's try that one. Wait, okay. Go. I think it's in. Oh no, these are not going in that well. That's kind of going in crooked. Let's see that. Yeah. Okay, that's in-ish. Wow, I'm really struggling with this. How am I struggling? I must be tired or something. Okay, you know what? Hold on. I think I'm not doing something quite right. Let me try some different screws. Right. No, I'm actually using the screw. What? Wow! Oh no! Oh no! That's terrible. Wow. Okay. No! Oh my god. Oh. Keep dropping crap. No! Oh, I wish I had a magnetic screwdriver. Do you want to go in the whole screw? Go in nicely. Be a good screw. Okay. Okay. No. Oh my god. This is actually somewhat funny. I'm not talking to myself, you freaking idiot. I'm filming something. Jesus. You're so stupid. What? Yeah, get the freak in there. Ugh. Well, now I'm getting nervous. I can't believe I'm having this much difficulty just screwing in these screws. Okay. Okay. I think they're all in correctly. Just time to tighten them. Oh, maybe the screwdriver head is a little bit too small. Okay, let me switch it out. Okay, I think this was the screwdriver I was using was a little bit too. What? No, no. Okay, so it's a little bit better now that I went with bigger. Still not like. Okay, yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Get the... Okay. I think that's in. Enough. Let's see if it wiggles. Okay. Seems to be in there. Secure enough. Let's go. I'm gonna go back to the front and retighten some of the screws. Okay, yeah. You can get a little bit more. If someone's actually watching this, like, tell me why you watch this. Oh no. Oh. God, as you watch this, you've been watching me struggle putting in screws into holes for like 10 minutes now. Alright, the new fans are in. I need a break. Okay. Okay, now that the new fans are mostly in. God damn it, you. Ugh. I'm gonna put in M.2 SSD and it's NVMe. Ah, it's one. It's Intel one. What is it exactly called? I don't know. It's an Intel one. I think I used this like maybe 2 or 3 times already. Take a quick look at the M.2 slot. Okay. It seems like we have to screw in this depending on the length of our whatever the hell we're putting in into. Wait, what? How the frick do you screw that in? Interesting. I don't know how long that thing is. Let me see. Oh, I'm getting tired. I was about to drop the SSD. All right, let's put it in the slot. Okay, where does it go? It's in. Okay. Am I supposed to put this in there? I'm very confused. All right. Time to screw it down. Hopefully I'm doing it right. Oh, it's so small and tiny. My ginormous hands can barely do it. Can they do it? Is it supposed to be diagonal like that? Let me put in this thing in one of the. No, let me try this. Okay, maybe it's not supposed to go in like that. Hold on. You know what? I think I'm just gonna try to make myself look as stupid as I can so people don't ask me questions like I know what's going on. Because half the time I don't know what's going on. Oh, I was about to lose that screw. Ooh. I'm gonna take this back up for a little bit. I don't even know what day it is today. Oh god, I forgot which one it was. I'm just gonna guess it was this one. Okay, that thing goes there. Put the SSD. Oh, put the SSD back in there. Okay. Yeah, it's straight now. I'm not sure how much of a difference it makes though. Whether or not. Even if the SSD is slightly slanted, if it's slightly diagonal when it's in, I'm not sure if that actually does anything. Whether it's level or not. Alright, my new M.2 SSD is in. It's probably gonna make my OS boot a few seconds faster. That's not really why I got it though. I have decided that I don't feel like doing cable management today, so I'm just gonna plug in the fans, put the dust filters back in, put the front panel back on, put the side panels back on, and just call it a day. Where do you go? Oh, you go right there. Can you read it? No, you can't read it. Okay, it's fine. Doesn't matter. It just says chassis fan. Oh, pins into the holes, and there we go. The rear fan is attached. Okay, now for the front fans, I just need to put them into my fan hub. Wow, fan hub. That doesn't sound really... It sounds like a new porn website. I should make that. Ooh. Let me look at it a little bit closer. All right. Get the... Tired of dealing with you freaking cables today. What am I gonna do after this? I think I might go... Probably need to eat something. I think I'm putting it upside down. Yeah, probably I'm putting them upside down. Okay. There we go. One of them seems to be... Oh, okay, now where the hell... I lost the other cable. Ooh. I'm gonna go take a nap or something. Oh, God. I need some light. That light's going a good jump. This is how it is after I cleaned it. Is it cleaner than how it was before? I don't know. I can't really tell. My vision isn't that good. But I think it is, at least a little bit. I know for a fact that I removed some dust.